Welcome to Learning with Leo and Lila. Today we're going to explore the wonderful world of colors.
Hello, Leo. What are you looking for today? Hi, Lila. I want to learn something fun. Maybe we can explore the colors around us? That's a great idea. There are so many beautiful colors to discover. Let's start with the color red. Can you tell me what color this flower is, Leo? Look, Lila. That butterfly is red too. You're right, Leo. There are so many red things around us. Let's see if we can find something yellow next. Yellow is such a warm and sunny color. Let's look for more yellow things. I found another yellow thing. This flower is yellow too. What about the sun, Leo? Can you tell me what color it is? The sun is yellow. Now, let's look for the color blue. What do you see that's blue, Leo? The sky is blue. And the water is blue too. That's right. Blue is such a calm and cool color. Let's find one more blue thing before we go. I found a blue butterfly, Lila. Well done, Leo. You've found so many colors today. Today, we learned about the colors red, yellow, and blue. You did an amazing job, Leo. I had so much fun learning with you, Lila. I can't wait to learn more colors next time. There's always something new to discover. But for now, let's say goodbye to our friends.
Goodbye, friends. See you next time on Learning with Leo and Lila.